Hello, and today I will be opening some Sword and Shield Rebel Clash, very recent set for Pokemon. 10 additional cards. The set isn't as popular because there's no Charizards. I don't believe there's a Charizard in this set. I think, is there a Charizard? No, I don't think there is a Charizard in this set. That's a good card. Pretty sure it's 4 from the back. Not revealing energy, yep, fire energy. Medicham, Revere, Speed Energy, Galarian Farfetch'd, Skwovet, Galarian Mr. Mime, Caterpie, Raboch, Reverse Galarian Yamask, and a Spiritomb non-holographic. Nice. Next pack. Oh, we're opening 8 packs by the way. Next pack is it's the Rillaboom artwork. It's probably my favourite starter of the Gen 8 Pokemon. Fucking butcher this pack. I think packs always giving me C. I swear to God, I have no problem opening packs until it comes to recording them, and I'm just I've just revealed the code card. That's annoying. Code. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Revealing Fighting Energy. Curse Shovel. Masquerain. Doublade. Honedge. Oh, Doublade and Honedge. Nice. Temple. Villabate. I think that's how you say that. Galarian Corsola. Toxel. Reverse Litwick. Non-holo Ludicolo. It's one of my favourite Pokemon, that one. Right, next pack. Get the Inteleon artwork. Probably my least favourite out of the 3. Just a boring gecko. Put the camera aside. Code. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Steel Energy. Metapod. Oh, I like the artwork on that one. Nice. Heliolisk. Messing this up a bit. Meditite. Stunky. Grubbin. Oh, I see I've got something at the end there. Wingull. Natu. Dreepy, Reverse Hollow, and a Boltund V. So it's not really... It's a kind of boring Pokemon. It's a dog that can run fast. Oh shit, sorry. I mean, looks nice, a wee bit off-centred, left to right. Looks okay on the front. Front looks good. Nice. Just going to sleeve it, I'm not even going to bother, it's not that rare. Right, next pack out. Back to the Rillaboom. Nice. Let's analyze this. Open your bastard. There we go. The code. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, revealing the water energy. Nice. Durant, Palisand, Olina, I think her name is. Stuffle, Lotad, Growlithe, Roly-Coly, Meditite, Reverse Holo Duraludon. Ooh. Oh, nice. That's a good pull. The full art Sonia. You can see it's a lot of textured. That is a nice wee pull there. It's a wee bit off-centred, it's a wee bit thicker on the top. It looks good on the front though. You can never really tell though with Secret, like the full art cards, like the textured cards, like what the surface is like. Because it's just textured. But hey, that's a nice wee pull right there. Throw that in a sleeve. Nice. VMAX Toxtricity, I think that's what you said. Toxtricity. Sorry. It's actually like a whole lot harder opening packs on like behind the camera. I never thought it was this hard. It's so hard to like look at the cards through your phone. Water Energy, Palpitoad, Nature Energy, Chatot, Cypher, Wallaby, Dreepy, Magmar. That's a cool artwork, I like that. Galarian Yamask, Hatterene, Reverse Holo, and Arcanine. It's a nice artwork, but I wish it was a holo. Rubbish. Inteleon. Can you just open, please? It's not the one good thing about like recent Yu-Gi-Oh packs. They're like 10 times, like a million times easier to open than Pokemon packs. Code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Tranquil, Medicham, Morgrem, Caterpie, Barboach, Arrokuda, Stuffle, Lotad, Applin, and non-holographic Galarian Mr. Rhyme. All form of Mr. Mime. What's that thing's name again? Shit. Can't remember. Cinderace, there we go, Cinderace. Aha. It's the football Pokemon. Why is this so hard to open? Okay, I got that. Code card there we go. 2, 3, 4. Revealing a Fire Energy. Done. Kinda paedophile next door sort of vibe. Carcoal. Heatmore. Pidove. Helioptile. Voltorb. Sandygast. Vulpix. Reverse Bronzor. Wow. Full art Olena. Yeah, this is a not bad 8 packs. These are the kind of cards you want to pull. Nice. Oh, this card looks flawless. Probably worth a wee PSA grade right there. Oh, it's a wee bit off-centred left to right. Still worth a shot though. Just leave it up later. Toxtricity, VMAX, or Gigantamax, VMAX, what was? Revealing the code card there we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Turffield Stadium, I think, Carcoal, Hatteram, Toxel, Galarian Mr. Mime, Snover, Pidove, Galarian Darumaka, Reverse Probopass, and Electivire non-holographic rare. So two actually quite good pulls, to be fair. So like 4 packs? No, 8 packs, sorry. 4 packs. Not bad pulls to have, to be fair. Number 192 at 192, number 191 at 192. Nice. I'll take that. Cheers.